Are you looking for some abrasives? If so, Vapor Honing Technologies has you covered. In this video, we will cover our two most popular types of media, starting with the most used abrasive at VHT, glass bead. Glass bead is made up of hollow round glass spheres, which create a light satin matte finish. This is perfect for achieving a manufacturer-like part. Glass bead is an excellent choice for finishing CNC machine parts, cleaning engine components, and for any application that requires a bright and OEM-like finish. Next up is brown aluminum oxide, a hard and tough abrasive that wears excellently. Brown aluminum oxide, with its angular shape, is used to remove rust, paint, and surface contaminants. This also makes it a great choice of media when deburring machine parts and prepping surfaces for finishing. If you have any questions about abrasives or what types will work for your process, please give us a call. The abrasives mentioned in this video, as well as other types, can be purchased from our website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com, which is linked in the description below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.